Lee Travis here with Wipliance. Welcome to the newly completed Spire Tower in downtown Seattle. We're going to take you on a tour and show you what our team has just completed.
Design and implementation in a building like this is an absolutely massive undertaking. When we started this process 2.5 years ago, there was no building. It was just drawings and plans, and so we needed to sit down with a developer and let them tell us a story of how they wanted the spaces to be used, how they wanted people to interact with them, what type of content there was going to be, and the fit and finish of the product needed to match the luxury of this building.
Our team installed over 3,700 Lutron shades from the top floor amenities to every single residence in this building. With Lutron shades installed in all of these units, you preserve these great Seattle views this building provides. As a finishing touch for the TV locations, we designed and installed 10 custom Leon Edge media frames to conceal the mount and the wiring and give it that really complete finished look. In the ceilings throughout these spaces, Origin speakers provide great audio while not having speakers front and center. Our team designed and installed a custom Control4 automation solution to handle all the audio, video, and technology in the amenity spaces within this building.